Portals are really helpful objects for any 2D puzzle platformer because they allow you to get to places that you weren't able to go before. In this tutorial, we learn how to make portals in a very simple way in a 2D game. I have a little sample scene set up right here with 2 portals and then a player. And then what we're going to do is on our player, we are going to add a new component, and it's going to be a script. So I'm going to add a script named teleporter. I'm going to click create and add, and then once it imports that script, I'm going to be able to open it up in VS Code. Now, once in the script, we can delete both update and start methods, and then we are going to want to create a public reference to a transform, and this is going to be, we're going to name this portal 1. This is going to be one of the portals. Then we're going to also make another public transform, and this is going to be portal 2. So those are the 2 portals that we'll be able to teleport to, and then you can change these for whatever you have in your portals. What we're going to do is get into a method called onTrigger enter 2D, and then in this method there is a collider 2D which is named collision, and we are going to be using that. And this is just saying whenever a player enters a trigger, and my portals have box colliders with triggers on them, so I'm going to see whenever my player enters the trigger and pushes a button, it will teleport to the portal. So let's check if the collision.gameObject.tag is equal to portal 1, and then this is just checking if the portal that I'm in is portal 1, and input.get key down, and then keycode.m. That's going to be the code. That's going to be the key that I'm going to use to press whenever I'm in a portal to teleport to the next portal. And then if this is all true, we're going to set the transform.position of our player, and we're going to set it to portal1.position. So, and then this is just this, since we are in portal 1, we don't actually want to teleport to portal 1, we're going to teleport to portal 2. And then we can actually just duplicate this if statement right here, and then just change this portal 1 to portal 2, and then this portal 1 down here to portal 1. And this is just saying that it's the same thing, so if we're in portal 2 and we click M, then we'll teleport to portal 1. We can go into our Unity editor, and then inside of our player, we are going to have to go down to the bottom, and in this teleporter script, we're going to have to drag the portal 1 and portal 2 into the portal 1 and portal 2 spots in the teleporter script. And then, since we have tags, we're going to have to add them. For this portal 1, we're going to add a tag named portal 1, and make sure the tag is the exact same spelling as you have in your script. And I have portal 1 right there, and then portal 2, we're going to add portal 2 tag. We can save this up, click play, and then we can see that our teleporters will be working. You can see that I've entered play mode, and then if we go over to this portal and click M, nothing is going to happen, and that's okay. We just have to get out of play mode and go back into our C# script. And then this onTrigger enter needs to be changed from onTrigger enter to onTrigger stay, so that it's seeing whether we stay in the collider or not. So with that fixed, we can go back into our Unity editor, and once it compiles, we will be able to click play and see if our portals are working now. Once the Unity editor has compiled, we can click play and then see if our portals are working. You can see that I've entered play mode right here, and if I go to this portal, click M, I teleport to that portal, and I can teleport back and forth from these portals. And with that, our tutorial on portals is finished. Thank you for following along through this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please give our channel a like and a subscribe because it really helps out our channel. Thank you.